foodies, welcome to Foodland. Here you go, these are my Motichoor laddoos, homemade laddoos, and I'll show you the trick how to make bundi with the simple trick, homemade trick. You don't have to shop for anything. You're just gonna have a plastic container and I'll show you how to do it. So let's start with the recipe. Alright, so for making the bundi, I have three options here. One is the ginger grater or the cheese grater. Another one is we have this Idali patra where we have holes in it. I don't know whether you can see. Let me get closer. So these holes in the middle. And the best option is just get a disposable container, just like this. I have this butter one and poke the holes with this push pin. So just randomly do it. If you do not have push pin, you can just get the safety pin or the needle. Just like this. So it'll be the easier option. Right, so let's see how to make Motichoor laddoos with few simple ingredients. So I have 1 cup of besan, which is gram flour. I need 2 cups of kevra water. You need oil to fry. If you want to take ghee, that would be awesome, but I'm going to take oil this time. We need a few pinches of food color. This is orange food color. I have half a tablespoon of pure ghee. Cardamom powder, almost half a tablespoon. This is half a cup of water. 3/4 cup of sugar. And this is 1.5 cups of water for making the besan batter. And as I've showed you earlier, that I have 3 things which you can do the bundis. So I have grater, idli patra, and the disposable plastic cup, which you have seen how I did the holes, just like this. So let's start with mixing the besan and water in the bowl. And I have taken these melon seeds and some cashew nuts made into small pieces just for decoration. Okay, let's make the besan batter. One cup of gram flour. We'll just add some water right now. Alright, so let's first add water little by little because we don't want any lumps in this batter. Alright, so let's keep whisking with the fork. So about 1 cup of water. And that's it. So this is kind of consistency we need. It needs to be like a flowy consistency, just like this. So make sure all the lumps are gone. Just keep whisking for about 2 minutes. And our batter is ready. Now let's make the sugar syrup and get this dry fruits slightly roasted in the pan. Let's get the pan and let's first dry roast the. So I have some cashew nuts and melon seeds. That's it, just for 2 minutes. Let's keep it aside. Let's make the sugar syrup now. So add about 3/4 cup of sugar. I have this granulated sugar, and add half a cup of water. Since sugar gets crystallized, I'm going to add one thin slice of lemon. Now the most important part, we have this batter that we made earlier. Then that means the oil is hot. Let's do it. I'm going to pour this batter. Just like so. Okay, so my sugar is melted, and this is the time to add the cardamom powder and orange food color. Give that a mix. Gonna remove this lemon now and turn the heat off. Let's see how it comes with this strainer. So the size of this boondi is little bigger than what we had earlier. Just wanted to show you. (20 to 30 seconds) and just remove it immediately. Look at this beautiful small little Motichoor Boondi here. I'll show you the close-up. The best part is they all are so identical. Look at this. Look at this, how beautiful they are. So keep it aside. Alright, so I have my sugar syrup already ready, and this is the boondi. As you can see, they're all nicely formed, beautiful. This is the one which we did it with the grater. It didn't work that much, but I just wanted to show you that this will be with the grater, and this will be with the method I showed you. Let me get you the close-up of it. They're nice and crispy. Here you go. Beautiful boondi. So now time to get into the syrup. So let's add all the boondi in the syrup. Nice and crispy boondi. It has to go in the syrup and soak the syrup. A nice orange color as well, and the beautiful flavor of that cardamom powder. I'm gonna keep it covered for about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium, on a low flame. Let it cook for about 3 minutes. Getting ready here. At this point, I'm going to add some ghee, the melon seeds and some cashew nuts, and 2 drops of kevra. Just for that beautiful flavor. Nothing much, just couple drops. Give that a good mix. Alright, I'm going to keep it covered and let it cool. I made almost 9 to 10 laddoos with that 1 cup of besan or gram flour. So here my Motichoor laddoos are ready. Homemade trick and quick and easy to do. It's just a little time consuming, but I know you'll love this taste, and if you love this taste, you're gonna make it. So thank you for watching this recipe, and thank you for visiting Foodland again. And if you're new here, please subscribe and watch my other videos, and hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and enjoy this recipe at home. See you next time. Bye bye.